Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix GTA 5 online not working / running, and let's get straight into the video. So what you guys can do is, if you have GTA 5 online installed through Steam, you can find Steam on your desktop, right click on Steam and hit run as an administrator. Once Steam is open, you can make your way over to library. From library, just find GTA, right click on when you find it, hit properties, and then go over into installed files, and then go ahead and just click on verify integrity of game files, and then this basically just verify this game's files are installed correctly. So meaning if there are any corrupt files, that will basically remove them and fix the issue. What you can do after is restart Steam by clicking on Steam in the top left and hitting exit. This will kind of like restart Steam, and then you can go ahead and open up Steam and then open up GTA 5 again, and then you can check to see if that helps fix the issue. Another method you guys can try doing is restarting your Wi-Fi router, and you can do that by just unplugging the power cord for about 30 seconds to a minute. Once that's done, you can plug it back in, and then you can go ahead and open up your GTA 5 and then check to see if that fixed the issue. And I also recommend doing things like restarting your PC, and yeah, once you're done with all of these steps, you guys should be good to go, and that is it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.